Hey, it's Sam Manor from Little Travel Restraints. I'm down at South Windsor. I'm here with Lyle, and we've got a classic here. It's a 1954 Belair. What do we do with it? What is it? A Belair 2-speed. What is it?
Power Glide.
Power Glide. Power Glide 2-speed. I mean, this is a classic, so I want to show you what we've done with it. Now, Lloyd's got 2 children, and we wanted to put some anchor points in there. Now, to have anchorage points, you also need to have seat belts in the back. So instead of going just your standard seat belts, Lloyd decided, let's use the classics to keep it in line with the car being a classic, a 1954. So have a look at this. We've got at the front here, he didn't want to go and put any belts at the top here, so we decided to put the lap belts in the front there. But as you can see, it's the press stud, red press studs, chrome buckles, easy to release. We've got the buckles on the outside, so that way it only falls out to the side here rather than having the lap belts outside there. So we've got the 3 lap belts across the front here, and check out the back. I've got to get in the back here to show you this. Okay, so we've got the Static Lapsash, and you can see this here. This comes over the shoulder. So again, releasing that. This is beautiful. This is what I love about these classics. Okay, and then you're locking it in. There you go. How perfect is that on the shoulders? I love this. Perfect sitting. Well, you're going to put travel restraints in here. We've got the 2 anchor points, one here and one behind me. We've got a lap belt in the center using classic seat belts. The red, I mean, what do you think of the red color? I think it looks great with this car. Also, you can hang it up, pull it down nice and tight, and that's how you pack it away. Now, being a classic, you always got to choose the right belts to make sure it looks the part. This looks the part. I hope this has been helpful. I hope you'll enjoy this video. I'm Sam. We'll catch you on the next video.